Hello and welcome to another edition of 10 Minute Tech. This is Ron Winkler, Classroom Technology Integration Specialist in the Cuyahoga Falls City School District. Today we are going to talk about Google Drive and Google Classroom. In order to get to your Google Drive, you are going to want to go to google.com. You're going to want to look for the waffle in the top right-hand corner, and you are going to want to go down to Drive. As you can see, I have two tabs open. I've already gone to my Google Drive. In the upper right-hand corner of my Google Drive, I'm once again going to select the waffle, and I'm going to go down to Classroom. It is very important that you go to your Drive first, because if you don't sign into your Drive, Classroom icon may not appear. Once I select Classroom, it is going to load my Classroom, which you will see has a number of classes in it. I'm going to create a brand new classroom today by using the plus sign in the top right hand corner. And I'm going to create class. I'm going to call this Test 2. It will give me a default background or a theme. If I don't like that, I can hit Select Theme. And I can change this. There are three areas at the top: Stream, Students, and About. Under the Students tab, you will notice there's a class code. This is how you will get your students to join your classroom. I can copy this and paste this code to a Google Doc. I can broadcast it onto my smartboard, and I can increase the size so that everybody can see it. I can disable this classroom if I don't want anybody to have access to it anymore, or I can even reset the code if I want to. Under the Stream tab at the very top, you can see, because this is a brand new class that I don't have any information here, there's no work due, there's no topics, and there's nothing posted. But if I go to the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner, I get four different options: creating an announcement, creating an assignment, creating a question, and reusing a post. If I wanted to create an announcement, let's say we have an assembly on Friday, I can do that here, and I can send it to all of my students in my classroom very quickly and very easily. If I wanted to create a daily question, maybe I wanted some work for students to do as soon as they get into my classroom every morning, I can create a particular question pertaining to a certain topic, and I can give it a due date if I want to, or I can leave it blank. I can make it a short answer, or I can make it a multiple choice question. If I created a post and I wanted to reuse the post, I would use this tab here. Creating an assignment, this is probably the most frequently used option under this area. To create the assignment, I would go over here, and I would give my assignment a name. I would jot down some instructions. I would give it a due date. I could attach a file. Say, for example, if I had a Microsoft Word document, I could attach it. If I had a Google document, I could go to my Drive and attach it that way. If I had a video saved, I could use this tab here. And if I had an external web link, I could add that link here. If I'm ready to assign it, I just hit Assign. If I'm not ready, I can save it as a draft, or I can schedule it to be assigned on a later date. I am just going to assign it today. If I had 25 students in my room, I would see all the students here, and I would be able to tell immediately who has submitted a finished product. If I go to the upper left-hand side, menu is going to pop up that lists all of my classes. If I wanted to get rid of a class, say for example, I had a class that I created just as for fun, and I don't need it anymore, I'm going to select that class from the classes area. Hit the three dots. I'm going to archive it. And then I can go once again to the same area, I can scroll all the way to the bottom to the archived classes folder, and then from here I can permanently delete that from my dashboard. If you have any questions pertaining to Google Classroom, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks for watching.